everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Zilliqa. What's the current price of Zilliqa? What's the price changes occurring in the Zilliqa? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel. My friends, if you listen my voice, so please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, and complete my 10k subscriber. Absolutely, I'm announcing a giveaway if you complete my 10k subscribers. So please subscribe now, my friends. Let's move on and let's start the video, friends. First of all, we look the latest price of the Zilliqa. You can see here the latest price of the Zilliqa is 0.12559 USD dollar, friends. That is the latest price of the Zilliqa. And absolutely, my friends, I'm very happy. I want congratulations to all Zilliqa holders that once again the last 1 hour price is positive and Zilliqa start moving upward from the very bad fast. You can see here if you look the price changes occur in Zilliqa, so absolutely the last 1 hour price change is positive. Last 1 day price change is positive, but if you, as you can see here, the last 1 week price changes is still negative. So that's mean in the previous time the Zilliqa is very badly fast down, but now from the yesterday the prices again start moving upward. So I'm very happy, and that's why I want congratulations to all Zilliqa holders, my friends. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. What's going on? Let's discuss, my friends. You can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the Zilliqa. Negative 22.39% negative changes occur. Oh my goodness! In the last month the price of the Zilliqa is fast down. Oh my god! The whole month the price of the Zilliqa is going down. Oh, I'm very shocked to see. But now in the end of month and the end of May, they again start moving upwards. So my friends, my prediction about Zilliqa is that I think the huge pump of the Zilliqa are coming soon in the start of June. In the start of June, maybe there is a lot of chances to take a jump. So that is why I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. It's time to hold, not to sell. Don't decide to sell. It's time to hold, my friends. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Zilliqa? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.